Hello students, so today after a long time we are going to start a fresh chapter. The name of the chapter is percentage. Percentage. Now, what do you mean by this percentage? Percent. Percent, that is, per means divide and cent means 100. Means if I am telling you 10%, that means 10 by 100. Okay, so this is actually the meaning of percent. So you will be asked a question that you have to convert percentage into fractions or percentage into decimals. Then how you are going to do that? Suppose I have asked you to convert 25% into a fraction. What you can do? 25% means 25 by 100. So while converting to fractions, it will be 1 by 4. So this is how you can convert a percentage into fraction. Again, if I ask you to convert 35% into a decimal, then what are you going to do? You will write 35 by 100, which will be all around 0.35. So 0.35 is the percentage, is the decimal of this percentage. उल्टा अगर करने बोले, suppose you are given a fraction as 1 by 5 into percentage. You are asked to convert into percentage. Then what you will do? Here तुमने divide किया था यहाँ पे, percentage से fraction में change करने के लिए तुम यहाँ पे multiply करोगे. कैसे? 1 by 5 into 100. What you will get? That is 20%. Or suppose you are given a decimal, 0.45 into percentage. What you will do? 0.45 into 100, that is equals to 45%. So this is the basic funda of converting a percentage into decimal or percentage into fraction, and fraction to percentage, decimal to percentage. अगर परसेंटेज से चेंज करने बोले तो डिवाइड करेंगे, अगर परसेंटेज में चेंज करने बोले तो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. करेक्ट? अदर देन दिस और भी क्या कह सकता है? यू विल गिवन ए क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस, फाइंड 20% ऑफ सपोज अ नंबर ऑफ x. You will be asked to find 20% of x. Then you will, what you will do? 20% means 20 by 100. Of means multiply x. You will get the value. Okay? The opposite may be asked. কি বলেছে? x is the 20% of a number. Find the number. You have to find the number whose 20% is x. Then what you will write? X is equals to 20% of the number. 20% means what? 20 by 100 into the number. So therefore the number, if you have to calculate the number, what I will get? I will get x into 100 by 20. So this is how you can calculate the number. Suppose you have the percentage is given, the value is given, and you will be asked that x is the 20% of the number. Find the number. Then you will do this kind of questions. Now again, you will be asked to find the percentage. ऐसा क्वेश्चन आएगा. What percentage of a number is x? Suppose I say what percent you are getting the tests that you have given in your exams. Out of 20, the online tests that were being conducted by your school, that were the full marks was of 20. So suppose I say someone scored 15. So 15 is what percentage of 20? 15 is what percentage of 20? Or what percentage of 20 is 15? Means you have got a value and you know the total amount, but you don't know what is the percentage. So how can you calculate the percentage? So percentage will count as percentage is equals to value by total into 100. So with respect to this, इस क्वेश्चन के अनुसार what I will write? Percentage equals to x by the given number into 100. So this is how you can calculate the percentages if given. Okay, and this is how you can calculate the number, the value when the total number is given. Here you can calculate the total number when the value is given, and here you can calculate the percentage when both the numbers as the value and the total number is given. So this is the basic things that you must know about the percentage. Next thing is that you will be asked various word problems related to this percentages. Let us see one by one. 3 questions are given. The first question, a man spent 50% of his salary on food, 20% of his salary on rent. He still saves 1800 with him. Find his total salary. So let the total salary be X. So therefore, the amount of money spent for food is 50% of X. That is equals to 50 by 100 into X. It will be around 5x by 10. Leave it. Don't do anything here. Okay? Leave it as it is. Then the amount of money spent on rent. It is 20% of x. That is equals to 20 by 100 into x. Leave it as it is. Don't do anything. So according to the question, and also he managed to save rupees 1800. Okay, so this is the amount he spent on food, this is the amount he spent on rent, and this is the amount he finally saved. So I can write that 5x by 10 plus 2x by 10 plus 1800, when added it will give you the total salary. Yes or no? So if I solve this, I can get my answer of x. Okay, so this is how one of the word problems can solve. This is one of the easiest kind of word problems that I have discussed. Now the next one, a bit difficult. Price of an item reduced by 20% due to decrease in demand. The shopkeeper further added a discount of 20% to reduced price. Find the total reduction in the price of item. Means you must have noticed in Flipkart and all. Suppose a sale is being given. Already they are giving a 10% or 20% sale on the item, and if you use a credit card or debit card, something like that, you will get again a further discount of 10 or 20%. So similar thing is happened to here. Once the price is reduced by 20% and again the discount is given of 20%. What is the total discount that I am getting on the item? That you have to calculate. So how you will do this? Let actual price equals to x. Okay, then reduced price is x minus 20% of x. That will be equals to x minus 20 by 100 into x. That is equals to 8x by 10. So this is my reduced price. Again, further reduced price. Further reduction. Abar damta korlo 20%. What I will write here? 8x by 10. Now I will not take x. I will take 8x by 10. 8x by 10 minus 20% of 8x by 10. What I will get? am getting 64x by 100. Now, this was the actual price from where I have started. This was the actual price from where I have started. And this is the final price that I must pay. So what is the total reduction that I am getting? Total reduction is equals to x minus 64x by 100. That is equals to, taking the LCM, I will get 36x by 100. So therefore, my percentage reduction or percentage discount, what is the value of percentage? I told value by total into 100. This is the reduced. এতটা দাম কমেছে কিন্তু অ্যাকচুয়াল দামটা কত ছিল? অ্যাকচুয়াল দাম ছিল x. Means this is the reduced value, this is the total value into 100. That is 36x by 100 whole divided by x into 100. I am getting 36x by 100x into 100. So 100 কেটে গেল, x কেটে গেল, my answer is 36%. So this is another type of question that you will be asked in the word problems. Actually, percentage of word problems are difficult. Word problems को समझना पड़ेगा, then you have to apply the formula that you have to use in the calculations. But you have to understand the word problem first. कि मांग क्या रहा है? What is the question is demanding? Okay. Now the next one. Mr. Roy got a promotion and his salary increased by 10%. If his new salary is 55,000, find his earlier salary. So let the earlier salary be x. Okay. Therefore, increased salary. यहाँ पे बोला गया price was reduced, that's why we have subtracted. यहाँ बोला गया the salary is increased, so I will plus, I will add them. What I will get? X plus 10% of x. That is equals to x plus 10 by 100 into x. That is 11x by 10. Okay. Therefore, the increased salary is already given, that is 55,000, and this is also increased salary, and 55,000 is the given value of increased salary. So what I will write? I will write 11x by 10 is equals to 55,000. So therefore x is equals to 55,000 into 10 by 11. 5,000. So the answer is 50,000. Okay, so this is how we can do this kind of questions. Come on, two more examples. Two more questions. কি লেখা আছে? Price of sugar increased by 20%. By what percentage should I reduce the consumption so that my total expenditure on the sugar is same? যেমনি এখন জানছো সব জিনিসের দাম বাড়ছে, কিন্তু ভাই পেমেন্টটা তো বাড়ছে না, পেমেন্ট তো যেমন আছে তেমন থেকে গেছে। Suppose petrol, before the lockdown started, the price of petrol was almost 70 rupees. But now the price of petrol is almost 85 rupees. So 15 rupees per liter petrol का दाम बढ़ गया. अरे भाई हमको तो पेमेंट तो DSP उतना ही देता है, बढ़ाया तो नहीं है पेमेंट. So what I will do? I will reduce the consumption of petrol. মানে দুমদাম যে গাড়ি নিয়ে ফুটফাট বেরিয়ে যেতাম ওটা হেঁটে হেঁটে যাবো, তেলের খরচা কম করব. So that the total price that I had to pay for petrol would remain same. Similar question is being asked. कि the price of sugar increased by 20%, कि চিনির দাম 20% বেড়ে গেল, এবার ঘরে তো চিনি ইউজ করতেই হবে। সো আমাকে কি করব? পয়সা তো বাড়াতে পারছি না, তো চিনির খরচটা একটু কম করে দেবো। সো দ্যাট টোটাল অ্যামাউন্ট, যে আমি আগে যদি আগে বাজারে 10 কিলো চিনি কিনতাম, তো এখন 8 কিলো চিনি কিনবো, 2 কিলো চিনি কমিয়ে দিলাম, তো দামটাও কমে যাবে। সো ওইটাই জিজ্ঞাসা করেছে कि by what percentage should I reduce the consumption so that the total expenditure on sugar is same. सो यहाँ ना तुमको अमाउंट ऑफ शुगर दिया हुआ है, ना द कॉस्ट पर केजी दिया हुआ है, तुमको दोनों ही अननोन है। तो কি করবে? তুমি তো এক্স ওয়াই নিয়ে করতে জানো না, খালি আইদার এক্স কিংবা ওয়াই, খালি একটা ভেরিয়েবল নিতে পারবে। সো তোমার কি করা দরকার? তুমি শুধু একটা ভেরিয়েবল, মানে তুমি অ্যামাউন্ট অফ সুগার ইউজকে এক্স ধরবে, আর প্রাইস অফ সুগারকে 100 ধরবে। লেট কস্ট অফ সুগার ইকুয়ালস টু 100, amount of sugar used equals to x. Therefore, total expenditure কত হয়ে যাবে? 100 into x. Clear? Again, cost of increased cost, actually not cost, increased cost. Increased cost of sugar কি লিখবো? 100 plus 20% of 100, 100 plus 20 by 100 into 100, we will get 120. So therefore, consumption or reduced consumption, what I will get? This was my total expenditure. মানে এত টাকা আমি আগে খরচা করতাম, আমি তো টাকা বাড়াচ্ছি না, আমি খালি দামটা বেড়ে গেছে বলে কনজাম্পশন কমাচ্ছি, বাট the money remains same. So I will write here 100x by 120. মানে এত টাকা খরচা করতাম আর এত টাকা হলো রেট, তো কত কিলো কিনবো? 100x by 120 যত হবে। So therefore my reduction মানে কতটা আমি কমালাম, রিডাকশন ইন কনজাম্পশন, আগে ইউজ করতাম x, এখন ইউজ করছি 100x by 120. যদি কাটাকাটি করতে পারো দেখো, I will get here 5, I will get here 6, that is equals to 5x by 6. This is the reduced consumption. তো কতটা কমলো? x minus 5x by 6, that is equals to x by 6. This is the reduction in consumption. So finally, therefore, percentage reduction. কত percentage কমলো? It will be x by 6 by x into 100. That is equals to x কাটা গেল, 100 by 6. I will get here 16, 2 by 3%. Okay, actually এটা কি করে লিখলাম? রিডাকশন x by 6 by x, কি বলেছিলাম? পার্সেন্টেজ বার করা ভ্যালু, গিভেন ভ্যালু বাই টোটাল ভ্যালু ইনটু 100. এতটা পার্সেন্টেজ আমি কমালাম, এতটা ভ্যালু আমি কমালাম, দিস ইজ দ্য রিডাকশন ইন দ্য অ্যামাউন্ট। কিন্তু অ্যাকচুয়াল অ্যামাউন্ট, টোটাল অ্যামাউন্ট আমি কত ইউজ করতাম? দিস ওয়াজ মাই টোটাল অ্যামাউন্ট আর অ্যাকচুয়াল অ্যামাউন্ট। সো দেয়ারফর গিভেন ভ্যালু বাই অ্যাকচুয়াল অ্যামাউন্ট ইনটু 100, বেরিয়ে গেল আমার কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সার। নেক্সট, Mr. B's income is 25% less than that of Mr. A. মানে A এর যত ইনকাম, B এর ইনকাম ওর থেকে 25% কম। ওকে, what is Mr. A's salary? What percentage of Mr. A's salary is higher than that of Mr. B's? মানে B তো A থেকে 25% কম, তো A B থেকে কত পার্সেন্ট বেশি এটা চেয়েছে। Let us calculate. Let A's salary be x, therefore B's salary কত হবে? x minus 25% of x. ক্যালকুলেশন করলে কত পাবো? So 3x by 4 is my B's salary. Now I have to calculate what percentage of Mr. A's salary is higher than that of Mr. B's. কতটা বেশি? So now I will write, therefore difference in salary what is the difference in salary? X by 4. So therefore percentage difference with respect to Mr. B. You have been asked the difference with respect to Mr. B. So what I will write? Value by total into 100. What is the difference in salary? This is the value. X by 4 by what is the total value? এখানে আমি কার ভ্যালু লিখবো? A এর স্যালারি না B এর স্যালারি? With respect to B বলেছে, তো I will write the B's salary. What is B's salary? This is the B's salary. Into 100. So on solving, x কাটা গেল, 4 কাটা গেল. I am getting here 100 by 3. That is equals to 33 1/3%. Means 33% A's salary is more than that of B. Okay, B's salary is 25% less than A and A's salary is 33% more than that of B. So this is the type of questions. মানে বলার বক্তব্য বারবার বলছি, কোশ্চেন অনেক রকম দেবে, ঘুরিয়ে ফিরিয়ে দেবে. You have to read the question first, understand कि बोला क्या है, করতেটা কি হবে. Then you will apply the formulae that we have discussed in the earlier portion and then you will apply, start doing the sums. So this is all about your percentages. Hope you will be able to do all the exercises that is given in RSR wall. Basically I think there is only one exercise given in your book. So you have to do it, and if any doubt arises, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.